Jose High School. At unang atake pa lang ng boses niya, nagulat na ako. Because, sabi niya, huwag kayong maingay, respeto. Hindi ko yung nakakalimutan, naalala mo ba? Respeto naman sa nagsasalita. So sige, ako nakikinig lang kasi syempre baguhan ako. Hindi ko din naman siya kilala. So, we don't judge, we just listen. Okay, I just listen to her. So, it's very nakakagulat or shocking na ang powerful ng voice ng babaeng ito. Sabi ko, hindi ko siya kilala, but I really saw a leader in her. At hindi ako nagkamali as the day passes by. Isa na talaga siyang magaling na leader. Grabe na si Tano. Mamaya kayo sa akin. And as the day passes by, kami mga teacher, we will only see you graduate. Uupo sa harapan ng mga silya ng classroom. But ang nakakalungkot na part is every year, lalagpas kayo ng classroom and you will take the challenges outside. So, ang advice ko sa inyo, this is true to all, I want you to enjoy every moment, every day na nasa school, kasi paglabas natin sa real world, you will break rules, and it's okay. It's okay to fall, it's okay to stumble, but you always remember, this is for all. Never forget to stand up and fight for another day. Because walang ibang tutulong sa inyo kundi sarili ninyo. And for that, welcome to the legal age. And let's enjoy the night. Thank you po. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Sharia, for a very inspiring message. Next.
Ayan, maraming salamat Ma'am Cheryl sa napakamagandang mensahe, hindi lang sa ating celebrant, kundi